Today's tribute, or this tribute, is for Rebecca. Right off the bat, I will say that her having read her profile, because I read everybody's profile before I do this, I think that the profile banner gives the right energy, but it doesn't say anything, right? And so I might use that in a post or putting it under features or something like that. Instead, we need to see what she's doing here, so that when I look at it, I know who she is and what she is. Her headline is really good. It's really one of the best ones I've seen. I might put lines, the I don't even know what that, I was an English major too, go straight up and down between each section, or a dot or something like that, a bullet. But this is really good. Now, one of the things that I would say, that I was excited to see, because I looked it up, was the example, because everybody does this, right? She probably put down American Dance Therapy Association registered therapist before the American Dance Therapy Association put in their business page. This actually happens quite a bit. It's even happened to me, and I check mine on a regular basis. And so what I did is I went and found that the ADTA does in fact have a page now. And so what would be good is to go back and put this back on. Sometimes you have to delete it and start over, which is fine, right? Because then it has the logos that go with it. Because the logos, the little favicons people do like them, and it does bring your eye to it, and it kind of connects you. Oh, that looks familiar to me, right? Especially if anybody knows anything about her area of expertise or looking for something in particular. So I would go do, and just on a regular basis, go and check all of these things, including for volunteer things, any additional certifications that anybody does. And I think that's about it for right now. Of course, needs a business page. That almost goes without saying, but that's a good start. All right. A big thank you to Rebecca for letting me review their profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments, and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to get it. Thanks.